Good morning, everyone, from Camiguin Island, southern Philippines. Today's March 20th, 2022. It's the day of our big Eco Warrior cleanup. I brought my gals down from the recycle cage. They're getting everything set up. We got here an hour early, and we got a monumental task ahead of us. And not only are we going to be picking up the trash, we're going to be segregating it. And we got an early riser here, but there'll be plenty for everybody. Now we're going to be putting the signs up too. So, good morning.
Morning.
You're here early.
Yeah, I thought it was 7:30 already.
No, it's early. You're the first one here. You win the prize. Here's a quick preview of what the beach looked like before. I'll do an after one here coming up too. But we had a high tide come in and bring some seaweed, which really makes it tough. That's why I brought the rake and a couple little digging claws, but all this stuff gets mixed in with this and it's like walking on a sponge. But it even goes up in here farther, so that's why I brought 100 sacks, and we might just fill them. Quite a task, huh? It's going to take more than just 5 Eco Warriors, so I tried to bring in everybody I could on this one, and we'll make a dent. Definitely make a difference today. Anyhow, that's it. We're getting ready to go. We got some new shirts to put on for the gals and I, and they're coming. Fire department's here. Yahoo! My Ion Bone Tog Fire Department. Well, let's get you guys set up. We got some gloves over here and some sacks. And the gals will tell you what's going on. And we're doing a little more survey of before everybody comes here on the beach cleanup. Looks like they tried to put some in a sack. That could have been from a previous beach cleanup. We'll get all that out of here today. This is like the most pristine picnic area. We need to get the PNP down here. They do a good job of not only picking up the trash, but they can move the debris and stuff out of the way and stick it in a pile. And it'd be nice to get some benches down here. I'd put some trash cans down, but they'd never get serviced. It'd be up to me to be down here every day emptying them. So we're putting up signs that this says, please take your trash home. So anyhow, this is our mission impossible today, and it just keeps going. This is just one part of the beach. This beach goes on for a good 500 meters down and around the corner here, and I'll show you what we're going to be doing here. We're going to go all the way down around the corner down to Krusty Kaboom. But this is a beautiful beach for picnicking. A lot of people come here on the weekends, and there's going to be a lot of people probably showing up today, and my goal is maybe even to get some of the people that are not in the cleanup group participating as concerned residents. Which you can see off in the distance, this is just packed full of garbage all the way down in front of Pirate's Den, all the way around the corner. So anyway, I got to get back. People should start arriving. It's going to be an exciting day. The fire department was the first ones here. I got some stickers to hand out to the ones that showed up first. So wish us luck. This should be an epic event. It's more of a social, educational event as it is a beach cleanup. We're just trying to bring awareness, make sure everybody's on board with this program, and more people are joining us every day. So it's going to be exciting. I'll have to get my drone out here. Is finished securing that one sign. I'm going to go over and get a little video here. I'm not doing much cleanup, but believe me, I've loaded my share of bags in the last 9 months. But we got the guards from the jail here. Got my biker friend John's here picking stuff up. And I got a few more police people. We even got some local residents here looking like it. No, I think that's the wrong guy there. Hello, hello! Good job. See if we got this cleaned up over here, but this is looking quite a bit better. What a nice crowd, huh? Well, these are the barangay boys. Yes. Mabuhay! Welcome to the party. The girls are all sweated out, having their snacks. We got the police loading up a load here. Then we're going to get the jail guards to throw load into theirs too. We're going to get this loaded up and out of here. So still got to clean up around here a little bit more. So good job on the signs there, Josh. So Josh? And we got it all brought down to the cage. The girls gonna have their work cut out for them for a while. So let me see if we got some food for them there. Good job. Salamat kaayo.
Thank you. Salamat. Sir, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Camiguin Beach is here. We just brought the beach to the cage. Yeah, we got a few sacks there, don't we, huh? And it's Monday the 21st of March. Here comes Bobby. Nice shirt. Unsa, need sacks?
Wait, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. They got shirts. They didn't wear them today, though. They wore them yesterday, so maybe they're shy. Salamat, Bobby. I'll get you new gloves later. Okay, you go through them fast, I know. So the girls will be busy here for a while. So. Yes. Well, I brought you some more sacks, so you won't run out. Oh my. You'll be all sandy, like being at the beach. This was all down on Camiguin Beach, this less than 24 hours ago. After about 24 hours ago, no one was picking up yet, but I think we're going to have to get Aldac coming because we're going to pretty much fill this baby up today, I think, by the time we get that done. We got Camiguin Beach aftermath. Still working on it. This is why I tried to get them to segregate down on the beach, because the girls are working on this for all day today, and the bags are pretty heavy.